I was born as a villain, dressed up as a saint. But in the dark shadows, they both look the same. I saw my reflection inside Trader's Gate, and I wait to make my escape. Summer clothing, winter's likeness is all but cavalier. You love it, there's fire in your eyes. 'Cause you took your gaze off the heavens.